Okay, how y'all doing? A couple days ago, I was reached out by a company called IceFox, and they asked me if I wanted to look at one of their 4K action cameras. So I've got the IceFox UHD 4K action camera, spelled with a K. It looks like this camera is from might be made in Germany by Bright Star Consulting. I'm not too sure about that. What it says on the box here, it's waterproof up to 30 meters with the included housing. Dual color screen display. The IceFox camera comes with a rear and front dual screen display. The front screen gives you better control during vlogs or selfies. Built-in electronic image stabilizer. The built-in image stabilizer helps to keep video footage stable and smooth even when on the move. And native 4K Ultra HD video recording. The IceFox camera records video in native 4K Ultra HD. That would be 4K, 2.7K, 1080p, and 720p resolution, providing more detail than ever. Now that is what they said on their package. What this video is, this is the first of a couple of videos, and let me just tell you one thing, okay? I did not purchase this camera. They reached out to me on my channel and asked me if I would be interested in doing a review on this, and I asked them what their terms were. So basically, they sent me this free camera to review. They asked me to do some specific type of edits and action shots, which I'm fine with, okay? And basically, I get to keep the camera, okay? They have sent me an Amazon link, exclusive link, I guess, for my channel. I'm not an Amazon affiliate, so I don't get any money from Amazon, but I will put a link in the description of this unboxing video. So this is going to be a two-part type of videos. I'm going to do this one first, and then later I'm going to do another one. This one here is the unboxing, so you can see what's in the box. And then the other one I'll do will be outside, actually using the camera and giving you my thoughts and possibly comparing it to another action camera that I currently own. So I've already opened the box once just to kind of see what was in there, but I haven't taken anything out per se. I just looked at the camera. So right away, you can see it comes with a user manual right here. And then it has an accessory box, and we'll open that in just a second and see what's in there. There's a warranty. Activate your warranty card, 1 year warranty on this. And then the camera itself. Now the camera is in a waterproof case, as you can see, very similar to what GoPro used to have. In fact, the mounting of it, that comes with it, is a GoPro type of mounting. We're going to open this up and look at the camera and get this open right here, if I can figure that out. There it goes. And there is the camera right there. I'm going to show you a close-up of it. And it's got all the protective film on it. I will tell you this is a fairly small camera, okay? Look how small it fits in my hand, okay? I mean, it's so tiny, it just sits there like that. It has protective film on it. There's a 1/4-20 thread on the bottom. I guess this is the battery door. Yes, this is the battery door right here. And let's see where the memory card. The memory card goes out here. Now the camera by itself would not be waterproof, and the reason why is because these ports are open, and thus they included the waterproof housing case, okay? So the camera itself is not waterproof, but inside the waterproof case it would be. They also sent this one with it's like 2 batteries, okay? Yes, I got 2 batteries with this one. They're very small also. These batteries here are, let's see what they are. If I can read the label here. They are 1350 mAh 5 watt-hour batteries, 3.7 volts, okay? I'm expecting to find the charger. Let me get that off my finger there. I'm expecting to find the charger in this box of accessories. That is everything that's in the big box, okay? We're going to move this to the side right over here, and we'll go through that in great detail in a little bit. And the instruction manual. Now we're going to open this accessory box that was in the big box to see what it comes with. And I'm just going to pull stuff out of here. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Wow. Look at all the mounts. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here, mainly mounts, okay? There's another back cover for this case. I'm not too sure what that back cover is used for. The only difference with it is it has cutouts here. I guess it's to allow the audio if you're using it not underwater. So this would be the non-waterproof. There's cutouts in it right there, and there's some plastic film of it right now. Let's see what else we got. We got a, looks like a handlebar mount of some kind right there. I don't know what this is. Some kind of other mounts, some clip-on mounts. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Looks like about 11 different mounts, okay? And there's some zip ties here. And then this is, I'm looking for the charger. Where's the charger at? You got to be able to charge that battery somehow. There's a USB-C cable here. I think this is the battery charger right here. It's really little, okay? So it's a pretty typical little battery charger. Let me get that out of the case, because that's the first thing I need to do is I need to charge the batteries. So it's really small, and obviously the batteries fit in here like this, okay? And we'll go ahead and put the second battery in. And then they have a USB-C cable to A cable that comes with it. And that is what we use for the battery charger, okay? So as you can see, okay, the main, there's a whole bunch of mounts. I'll tell you what, I've never seen so many mounts. That's a real score there. This is the battery charger. I'm going to put it on the wall wart over there and charge these batteries up, okay? So mainly what was in that box was all these different mounts, okay? This looks like a mount that you can use without the waterproof case, and very similar to GoPro mounting situation here. In fact, I would think everything here is probably compatible with the GoPro mounting system, which most of these action camera people are using these days, okay? Anyways, that was the unboxing of this IceFox UHD 4K camera. This is the camera itself, like I said. Here's the waterproof case it comes in, and then the battery charger. We're going to get these batteries charged up. We're going to read the instruction manual and get this thing configured so we can take it out and give it a try. Anyways, I'm going to put a link in the description that they gave me to Amazon where you could order this camera, but you might want to wait till my review on the channel here before you do that, okay? Anyways, thanks a lot, and I hope you got some use out of this, and we're going to see how this camera works. See y'all later. Bye-bye.